Wow, I'm pretty exhausting right now. I finished the 2 hands of primer, epoxy primer, and after the first hand I discovered that I didn't have to use the brush, but I had to use this one, so it's less heavier with this. I don't know.
Good morning, all 700 of you. 779, I think it is right now. We are going to the offices of the Aprilia Marítima shipyard to do one thing that we have been waiting to do for 4 months now, which is book the splash day for the boat that will be, what is the 24th? 24th of April. We will finally go on the water with the boat. That's assuming remasting on Tuesday next goes well, and the blonde is able to do the antifouling in the next week. Then we are going to be heading back home for a little goodbye barbecue with the friends, and then we will be back here to splash it. It took us 2 months more than prevented. We, at the beginning, I was seeing yesterday the first video that we did in December, and in that video I said we have 2 months to do the work.
Yeah, only 2 months.
2 months to do the work. It took us 4 months to do the work, but it's finally happening.
Yeah.
How you feel about it?
I miss sailing.
Yeah, but at the end we are putting it on the water, and then we need to test everything for about 2 weeks. So sailing will be in about a month from now.
Yeah, the famous month.
Exactly. Anyhow, let's do this.
Hi guys, I talked to the guys, and they told me not only that I didn't have to use the brush, but also the proportion right on the primer were wrong. Not actually wrong. If I have a balance, it was okay, 9:1. But because I use this, the proportion was actually 1:6. Perfect. But there's no problem. I actually put some more stuff on the keel, but in this way I have only to do two hands instead of 4. This is okay for me, and I'm finished, so I'm gonna show you my masterpiece. Really smooth. Yes. Today I wake up very, very happy because we almost there. Left only the painting of the boat and we are free to go, and I'm very happy. I have this beautiful weather today, and before the antifouling I have to clean the upside of the boat because it's very in bad condition. I'm gonna show you. This is the condition right now. Very bad. I trust that with water this is all going away, but I'm not sure. It's pretty bad, but hey, today I'm happy and I'm gonna start right away. Okay. Wow. My beautiful makeup. Why bother? But it's pretty amazing. Look at that. Wow. It's very amazing. And it has been only the first. Wow. I can use this video. So the most difficult part, and the worst stains doesn't go away with the water, so I have to find some product. I don't know any. I tried with wash dish. I don't know the name. I'm gonna show you. No, it doesn't go away. I need you guys. You have some advice for me? Because I really don't know. All set for the other part of the boat. I show you the situation inside this locker, the outside locker.
Roba di ciao e mi ha detto di incontrarci, adesso me l'ho detto ieri, adesso oggi perché non me lo rispondo. Però il fatto è, questa è la cosa.
You can see the water and the cable, electric cable inside the water. Mamma mia. Look at that. Wow. Oh. Everything is in that condition. before start cleaning, I have to understand why there isn't a hole inside this locker and the water doesn't go away. So I need to understand where is the hole, because I can't put a lot of water if the water doesn't go away. So I have to wait for Max. I discovered this. I have no idea what is it, but I don't think it is a hole that I'm looking for. And you can see there is water here. But I don't understand. This is Webasto. No, there isn't a hole anywhere. Why? Where the waters go? I don't understand. What are you doing?
Dismantling the Webasto. It's not even a Webasto, it's actually a Vevor, so like an under brand. And the old owner, POS as it is, it was installed poorly, like really poorly installed, but not even attached, connected to anything. So yeah, you just need to take this out, eliminate it. We are not gonna go anywhere near cold, at least for the first 5 years, so we don't need a Webasto right now. And this is just taking space and giving us the possibility to have another problem. Okay, manca una.
You are comfortable?
Nope. Inside, on the navigation desk, there's one like this, but it's like this. It's a midget one. It's a little people screwdriver.
Okay. This?
Yes.
I can't believe that we don't have a hole in this locker for the water.
Doesn't have drainage, no. Bavaria thought, let's do a locker, 2 of them actually, outside and not put any drainage to it. Out of my mind. But yeah, here it is. Another day, another electrical connection done with the ass. I really don't know how this guy didn't die. In a fire, in a drowning, lose the boat, I have no idea. It's completely and absolutely out of my understanding how this guy didn't die. Anyhow, adesso togliamo tutto. Questi
well, look at that.
originally these were the water drainage that SOB used it to put these lights, and that's why these were getting full of water.
I can't believe it. We're all perfect.
Questo col coltello devi pulirli bene, mi togli tutti quei cavi e li butti giù.
So for doing this job, I only need to scrub a little bit the surface and cover with tape all the part I don't want to paint, and that's it. Wow, it's very big. Okay, come on, let's do it. Wow, finish to scrub and to brush the dust off, and now I rest 5 minutes, and after let's start with the paint.
A few moments later.
Finished, guys. Finally took me all day, but it's done, and now I drink something to celebrate.
Buono. Allora,